Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about quotient rule. So let's say we have a function y is equal to u by v, okay? And then how do we differentiate it? So again, we like the product rule or in the chain rule, we have a quotient rule which says dy by dx for this function will be v times of du by dx minus u times of dv by dx divided by v square. If you want in a simplified form, if you have, let's say y is equal to f of x by g of x, then this is nothing but dy by dx will be f dash of x times g of x minus f of x times g dash of x whole thing divided by g of x whole square. So you have derivative. Okay, so you have the derivative for the function is nothing but denominator times derivative of the numerator, which is f dash of x here, minus numerator, which is f of x, times the derivative of denominator, which is g dash of x, divided by denominator square. So, for your easier understanding, you can also say this as denominator times derivative of numerator, okay, minus again numerator times derivative of denominator and whole thing divided by denominator square. All right, so this is how you are going to do it. And now we'll consider one example on doing our using the quotient rule. So let's consider one. So let y is equal to 3x minus 2 divided by 2x minus 5. Now this is my function, so applying my rule, okay, which is here, so I'll say this is my f of x divided by g of x. So for a better understanding, what I'll do, I'll highlight it so that, so 3x minus 2 is our you know f of x, and 2x minus 5 is our g of x. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll apply you know this rule which is here on the top. Okay, so we'll try to use this. All right, and I'm going to assume that we are thorough with power rules, so I'm not going to do steps for that. So first is f dash of x, so that means 3x minus 2, which is 3, into g of x, which is 2x minus 5, which remains as it is, minus f of x, so 3x minus 2 again as it is, g dash of x, which is, so 2x minus 5, g dash of x will be 2, divided by 2 of x, 2x minus 5 whole square. So that means my dy by dx is 6x minus 15 minus 6x plus 4 divided by 2x minus 5 whole square, which is ultimately minus 11 divided by 2x minus 5 whole square. So what you have to do is you need to understand how your quotient rule works, because it's a little lengthy when we compare it with the product rule or your power rule for that matter. So remember, the first thing is denominator times derivative of numerator, so that comes together, minus numerator times derivative of denominator, so that's a one complete thing, and the whole thing is divided by the square of the denominator. So that is how you are going to approach a problem which is given in this form. So please try to see more examples, and like I said, Try to understand how your quotient rule is, working when you have two functions given to you, one in numerator and another in denominator. All right, so till then, we'll meet in the next video where we'll talk about derivative for trigonometric functions, logarithm functions. Till then, take care and have a good day.